Today I received this email from Vercel on which now I'm able to test out V0. And for you guys that don't know what V0 is, it's basically a place where you place a prompt and you get out a complete component. All the code, all the visuals, like this is an example of a guy that typed in a marketing web page for a product that connects Stripe. Let's see. Yeah, that connects Stripe with other invoice software. And then this is what was generated. It seems like it creates more variations, right? And then you choose like the best variation and you go on from there. But yeah, let me test this myself. And what I'm thinking about is like what would be a nice component to create. Well, actually, I'm developing this product on which I want to create a price model for a SaaS that has 3 plans. Minimalistic. Okay, let's sign into Vercel. Start generating. Okay, yeah, nice. This was good for you guys to see that I actually haven't tested this before. See, like it's creating all 3 of them at once. And I mean, I said it had to be a model, but really I could just include this component inside of my model. Yeah, I mean, this one is the better one. I'm just actually looking at its responsiveness. Like pretty decent. I just missed some features, like this one has this most popular tag right here. Let's try to place that inside this C option. Place most purchased label. I'm not even gonna say where it's supposed to place that. Let's see if it catches up. See, now we have V0, that's right here. Now it's creating V1, probably altering these plans right here. Like if we go back, it's the same thing. Like we could still use those options there. But yeah, now on V1, it placed the most purchased right here in the pro plan. Okay, nice. Let's see what else we could alter. Like I said that this could be placed inside my actual model, but let's try to force this. Like let's try to see if he can actually make some features. Just place a button on which when clicked, like I don't even know which are the correct prompts to send out here, but I mean, I'm just trying it out. Just place a button on which when clicked, it opens the model, which is this plan section. I don't really presume that this is what it was built for. I'd imagine that, wait, it's building something. It's actually building the model, but I would suppose it's not actually built for that, right? Since it's more for the styles, right? So if I want to change the button of the colors, I could just instruct it to do so. But it's really interesting to see these features actually working. Like place X so that I can close the model. When I click the open plans model, it opens. I'm very curious to see like what will come out of this. Okay, it placed a red button here in the corner. Now let's see what this does. If this actually does like any functionality, I'll be very surprised. Yeah, it didn't. Like I would be very surprised because that's not really what it's for. I mean, maybe someday it will do this and it's not far from that where I'm just not typing the correct prompt. But overall, it's great that we just have a tool that like if I wanted to add some icons, I don't know if it adds icons. So place a icon for each plan. Place a different icon for each plan. And I don't even know how much like versions of this we could be making. Like what if there's a limit, right? Now I saw that there's a pick and edit. See, yeah, it actually placed an icon for each plan. Now, could I get a background image for this? Please create a background image for each plan. Like I told it to create a background image. I don't suppose it's going to create something like Dolly. I just suppose it's going to get some type of image from image database, but it would be interesting if it did so. Wow. I mean, is this an image? It is. It is a background image. See? It's just a placeholder. Wow. That's nice. That's actually nice. What else could we improve here? Yeah, let's use this tool here to just balance things out because like you see this one is a bit higher than the others. So I believe like let's use this to say place a label here informing that it is the cheapest option. Okay, yeah, it didn't quite understand things. It just kind of changed everything from the structure that we had previously. Like this icon was on top of it, now it's besides it. And really, like, I really much prefer this one than the others, but now it's just totally different. So let's go back to the V5 and inform it down here in the main prompt. I'll tell it to just create a, no, place a label informing that the basic plan is the cheapest one of all. Let's just see, like, if he understands that there's another label in the pro plan, and to just create a similar label, right? Like, we want it to maintain the identity, like the same proportions, same, I don't know, even colors, or yeah, it should understand the overall design, and it did. That's perfect. Wow. This is actually pretty nice. But I wonder, like, have they limited this to only placeholder images, or can we make it place an image from, like, place an image of a lion as background for these plans? Yeah, this way we can actually see if it uses an image database and could just provide images for us. I mean, since it provides icons, I wouldn't doubt that it got some images, like from pixels or something like that. And yeah, it kind of failed to do so. Right, let's check the responsiveness. Still responsive, that's nice. Let's check the code out. The code is, this is awesome. Now checking this code out, I'm actually pretty amazed. Like, simply because it created this SVG, and yeah, the way it placed it out here, I feel like we could just get this function and place it in another code, right? Another section of our code, and just make that list of icons, and then just import them to this main component. It also provides an HTML page. Let's copy this and code it. Yeah, so I just created an HTML here, real simple. I'm not even going to place the HTML tag. Let's just really open this. Yeah, probably not going to work like that, simply because I need the CSS, and the CSS is, see, like, this HTML is taking in consideration Tailwind. So unless I import Tailwind some way, it's not gonna include the classes. But yeah, there are so many other projects here that I looked at, and I was really amazed by them. See, like, this one is kind of a chat system. Didn't really like that one, but oh, see, like, these background images are always the same. Wait, is it actually like typing things? Wow. Yeah, this is a nice feature. That's a nice feature. That's something nice. I actually like this one pretty much. Wow, there's more. There's still more. It built the entire page. Like this is an entire homepage right here. I would really, yeah, I would really love to just see a button up here to see it responsive, like to see it in mobile and then back to desktop. But yeah, like, I'm just asking for too much. This is just simply great. Hope you guys liked it. If you've tested this out and gotten pretty nice prompts for it to create anything actually amazing, please send it out in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then.